Why do we trade hours for dollars, and does this truly lead to freedom? The 9-to-5 grind is a time-for-money system where we trade hours for pay. But time is finite, and each hour worked means less time for what truly matters: family, passions, relaxation. The paradox is that while working gives us money, it can steal the freedom we seek. Can we break free from this cycle to align time with value and live more freely? In this exploration, we're going to look at how this time for money equation works. The idea of work today is simple. Trade your time for money. The more hours you put in, the more money you make. But here's the catch. The harder we work, the more we're tied down. In Plato's allegory of the cave, prisoners are trapped, seeing only shadows of reality. When one escapes, he realizes the shadows weren't the truth. Similarly, we've been taught that earning a living means trading time for money, but this mindset keeps us stuck. Time is finite, and we often forget that in the hustle. Every day we trade hours of our life for money, but time is the one thing we can never get back. If we spend all our time working, what are we really gaining? Sure, we might earn money, but we're sacrificing the most valuable thing: time. The real question is, are we spending our time on what brings happiness and fulfillment? True wealth isn't just about money. It's about freedom. In our society, we often link wealth to financial security and comfort, but real wealth is about living in alignment with your highest values and purpose. Real wealth isn't about how much money you have. It's about making money work for you without constantly trading your time for it. Most people tie wealth to jobs and hourly wages, but that's not true wealth. Time is limited and you can't get it back. True wealth comes from building assets like investments or businesses that generate income passively, allowing you to focus on what matters. The shift is from working harder for money to creating systems that make money work for you. This mindset unlocks the freedom to live life on your terms, supported by wealth that grows without constant effort. To achieve a life of freedom, shift from active income or trading time for money to passive income or money working for you. Passive income comes from assets like real estate, stocks, or businesses that generate income with minimal effort. This shift allows you to build wealth over time, free up your time, and live life on your own terms. Start by investing in assets, scaling slowly, and reinvesting profits to create long-term, sustainable wealth. This financial independence lets you break free from the cycle of trading time for money. With the wealthy don't work for money, they make money work for them. By shifting your focus from labor to asset building, you create systems that generate wealth and give you control over your life, allowing you to live with freedom, choice, and fulfillment. That's what wealth is really about.